Hello, I am on page 3 of your syllabus. I wanted to discuss the course activities and assignments that you can expect for this class. Each week our new information will start Monday at 1 a.m. and it will all be due the following Sunday at 8 p.m. Okay, so you have a full week to do that. There's several different types of assignments you're looking at here. Discussions. Each week there will be a discussion that's related to math, not necessarily the topics we're discussing in class, but still math. The discussions could be asking for your opinion. It could want you to find a video online that helps you solve your math problems this week, or it could just be a word problem using that week's topic. Okay, so it varies. I need you to do an initial post by Friday 8 p.m. answering the question, the prompt, whatever it is, and it needs to contain at least 100 words. And then you must also reply to at least 2 different classmates by Sunday, 8 p.m. Okay, so that is the only due date that is different than the Sunday 8 p.m. is that I need your initial post on those discussion forums by Friday at 8 p.m. So those initial post has to be 100 words. Now your replies can be shorter. I need them to be at least 50 words each. Okay. If you're using something that's not covered in the course, be sure and cite your website or book or whatever you're getting it from. The next course activity and assignment is homework. All of your homework is going to be completed in my math lab. My math lab is really cool because it lets you check your answer as you're going. Okay, so and you get multiple attempts. If you're not getting it right, it lets you try it again. So there's no reason you can't have 100 on all of the homework. Okay, and homework does count as 15% of your grade. So keep working it until you can get that 100. After you get finished doing the homework for the week, there will be a quiz. The quiz, I'm going to give you 45 minutes on. You won't need that long, but sometimes there's some technical difficulties and, things just don't work the way they should. So I'm going to give you 45 minutes to take the quiz, but I am going to lock down your browser, okay? So you can't go back to my math lab and find the help stuff and everything over there. All right. Quizzes are supposed to be closed note, closed book. I want you to focus on, did you understand that information? Okay. The homework in my math lab does come with some tutorial stuff on the side of the page. So if you are stuck working it in my math lab, you can hit view an example or help me solve this, and it'll pull up a problem that's similar to yours and show you the steps. Okay. I don't want you to do any of that on the quiz. I want it to just be from your mind. Did you learn that information? Okay. So quizzes, you won't be in my math lab. You will be back in Moodle so that we can lock down the browser, make sure that you aren't cheating. You're not using any kind of notes, any kind of book. You're just on your own with those quizzes. There are also unit exams, and I'm going to give you 2 hours to do the unit exam. Let's see, it will be in Moodle because we're going to use Respondus Lockdown Browser plus web camera, okay, because they're closed note, closed book, only attempted once. So I don't want you on other websites. I don't want you to have your notes over here to the side that you're reading through. I don't want you to have your phone over here that you're watching videos on, okay? I want you to legitimately take this exam like you would in the classroom. It is going to ask you for your student ID in order to take the exam, just so that I can verify that you are the person that is actually registered for the class. So be sure and do that. It's also going to ask you to scan the room, and it's just your way of proving to me that you don't have somebody behind the computer telling you the answers. You don't have your notes laid out. You don't have your phone handy where you can Google stuff, okay? So I just want you to pick up your webcam and show it around, okay? Show me, which this isn't blank paper, but, hold it up, make sure I can see what's on your paper. I prefer blank paper if you're going to take the test. So, just kind of do that for me before the unit exam. Turn that web camera all the way around the room so I know that nobody else is there, that sort of thing. The final exam. Final exam is comprehensive, meaning it's going to cover everything that we talk about in the class. Okay. The final exam is going to work very similar to the unit exams. You get 2 hours, respond to lockdown browser webcam, no notes, no book. You only get 1 attempt. If you don't take the final exam, you will fail the course. Okay. So there's our activities and assignments. And we talked about this a little bit earlier, but the discussions are worth 10%. That's a whole letter grade. If you choose not to do discussions, your grade drops from an A to B automatically, or a B to a C. Homework is 15%, quizzes are 15%, unit exams are 40%, final exam is 20%. By the way, you need a C to get out of this class. If you ever have hopes of going into college algebra in a future semester, you need to make a C in foundations of college algebra. Okay, so 70 or higher.